Hi folks, we're just uploading a higher definition video for you of our 6-foot wingspan giant bat. As you can see, he's amazing. He doesn't even fit behind our screen. We're the original owner of this beautiful piece, and he simply plugs in and works. If you have one of those infrared sensors, such as what's used to illuminate your garage if someone walks by, a lot of Halloween stores sell them. You could use that and trigger it by that, or just plug him in. And as you can see, his eyes also flash, and he is really pretty amazing. So unfortunately, we don't have a box large enough for him, so it's going to have to be pickup only. I wish we could ship it, but there's just no way. Anyway, good luck to all of you, and thank you for your interest in our auctions.